Hey, ever had a hiccup attack in the middle of class? Let's find out why. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that's the muscle right under your lungs, suddenly contracts. This makes you suck in air quickly, causing your vocal cords to close with a hic sound. It's like your body's little prank. But why does it happen? It could be from eating too fast, drinking fizzy stuff, or even getting too excited. Your nerves get a bit jumpy and boom, hiccups. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember, it's your body's way of saying, hey, slow down.